Again, slow shipping is okay to save on money, but slow fulfillment is not a good idea.
Hi, I'm Maggie, CEO of LBK.
And today I'm doing a dual unboxing. What does that mean? That means I'm opening two boxes because I had the suboptimal experience with both of these brands, even though I'm very excited about them, but it took over 4 days to get tracking numbers for both of these items, which is a shame. The first one I almost canceled because I ordered it through Instagram and I thought, well, maybe it's not real. This is Biro. This is a non-alcoholic beer from actor Tom Holland. And so yeah, it has a branded box, which is very nice right here, branded box and some branded tape. Again, unfortunately, it took a while to get the tracking number, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it anyway. So what we have, Mr. Tom Holland, and it is real, is a non-alcoholic beer. And what they've done here, this is so cute actually. I'm trying to see how I can show this the nicest way possible. If you can see this, they have the 6-pack here. I could have ordered 2 6-packs, but I kind of wanted to see how they were going to ship the one. And you can see they put an insert in here so there was no movement for the beer, because obviously you don't want to shake it up or have any damage. And then I don't have to have any plastic or anything. So this is very cool. Oh, and there's an insert. There he is. I'm finding more and more that people just throw this away. But here's the beer. This is super cute. Super cute what they've done with this, and I'm excited to try it. But again, especially as a first-time purchase through and via Instagram, it's really important to get the tracking number to your customer as soon as possible so that they know it's real and that it's on the way, and also they won't cancel. I'm okay with slow shipping. Everyone's been down trading, whether it's 4 to 7 day shipping is totally fine, especially for heavier products. I'm not worried about that. However, slow fulfillment is not okay. Because again, people will cancel their orders. So this will be fun to try. The second item is from David. This is a protein bar. As you can see, this is very much January, even though January is almost over, with non-alcoholic beer and protein bars. So this is kind of fun. This is a branded tape as well and a branded box. Again, good for, it's nice to have, but not necessary, especially if you're not doing like 500 orders a day. I'm always happy to do custom boxes in my warehouses, but the custom tape is always difficult if you're not hitting minimums. All right, so let's go ahead and open this one up. Again, they have also done an insert. It's gonna go straight in the trash. Like if there's not a QR code or some way to interact with it, I'm not gonna interact with it and it goes away. And especially if you're spending like 40 or 50 cents on those and to pick it for your fulfillment house, I'd say it's probably not necessary anymore. But these, what was beautiful, look how beautiful this is. It fits perfectly in the 2 boxes. They had the option for 1, 2, 3, or 4 units. So I got the 2 because again, I want to see, and it fits perfectly in here. You can see there's no additional space, so they're saving on that. And all I have to do is dump them out. I have my protein ready to go, which is exciting. 0 sugar. I'm sure these are very tasty. Now I have my non-alcoholic beer and my 0 sugar protein bars. Again, the main takeaway and the reason I opened these together was that slow fulfillment and slow shipping. I'm okay with the slow shipping because again, I can track it. Slow fulfillment gives me a chance to cancel my order. And also, I didn't even know if this was a real thing. So excited about this to try it. But if you're a brand, again, slow shipping is okay to save on money, but slow fulfillment is not a good idea because of the possibility of canceled orders. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. Oh, these are great looking. There are some dings in it, I'm not gonna lie. There are some dings in that, but it should be fun to try. I'm not gonna have a warm beer on camera, but maybe I'll chill them and let you know how they taste. Let's see. Ooh, it smells like beer. Well, warm beer is never a good idea, but it's not that bad. All right, cheers.